everyone, welcome to Decor Lab. My name is Julia, and in this video we will be creating this gorgeous balloon install outdoors. This install is perfect for any drive-by celebrations that are very popular right now. Are you guys ready? Let's get started. Let's start off with creating our balloons. The theme for our setup today is Spring Fiesta, so we chose bright colors and fiesta-inspired mylars. We will be using the following balloons and brands: the lime green by Sempertax, orange by Sempertax, red by Tuftax, fuchsia by Sempertax, yellow by Sempertax, royal blue by Sempertax, and Caribbean blue by Sempertax. To create a garland, we will be using our 6 balloon clusters in a variety of sizes. You can see the detailed video on how to create this type of the cluster in our Decor Basics section. Make sure you underinflate your balloons so you have the stretching room and your balloons won't pop right away if you are setting them up in the heat. Now that our clusters are ready, we will put them in a garland using a fishing line. We will create several smaller garlands. This technique is perfect if you do not know the space you're working with. You will just assemble your garland from the smaller pieces right on the spot. We will use additional 6 balloon clusters and fillers to fluff our garland up. We also prepare some accent double stuffed balloons with 17-inch balloons stuffed inside of the 20-inch bubbles. You can also add the confetti in there or the foil like we did. Now that the balloons are ready for transportation, you can place them in mattress bags and transport them in a van, trailer, truck, or vehicle of your choice. For this shower, we're setting up in front of the garage. This is a pretty popular request, don't you guys agree? We will be using the 260s and heavy-duty command hooks for this install. Before you apply a command hook to a surface, make sure it doesn't have any dust on it. We just use wipes for it. Now, let's apply our heavy-duty command hook. I absolutely love these command hooks. First of all, they have pretty big sticky area. Secondly, you can secure them with extra tape on the perimeter if you know you're expecting a windy day. And lastly, it holds up to 22 pounds, so you will need only few of them. Our first 2 command hooks are in place. Let's apply our first mini garland to it. For that, let's take 260 and tie it around the garland, and we'll attach it to the hook. Let's extend our mini garland by joining 2 of them together. We will use 260 loop to do that. And just like that, we will be extending our garland and applying the hooks until we're happy with the length. Next thing we're going to do is to add our balloon clusters and our jumbo balloons to the garland. The last balloon types we're going to add is our accent balloons and our mylars. Now we will apply our dumbbell fillers to create more dimensions to the garland. And there you have it, the balloon install outdoors. Remember, balloons deoxidize in the sun, and if you would like to keep them shiny but not greasy, use more of these double-stuffed accent balloons. If you're okay with this grease, use the balloon shine or high shine, but get ready to use a lot of it with this size of the garland. Here we used 300 balloons, 7 colors of balloons. Balloon sizes and types we used 5-inch, 9-inch, 11-inch, 17-inch, 24-inch. We also used bubbles and mylars. We used heavy-duty command hooks. We used 260s. And lastly, we used a fishing line. It took 2 people, 2.5 hours to do the whole installment, including the balloon inflation time. Now you're ready to install outdoors. I cannot wait to see your creations, so you guys make sure you tag the Decor Lab when you're sharing your work. Make sure you join us for our weekly webinars where we share so many different tips and tricks on decor and business topics. And I will see you in the next video.